Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 smart doorbell cameras for enhanced home security. So, let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. 3MP Tuya Smart Peephole Viewer. This smart peephole viewer combines a 3MP camera with a sleek design. It supports PIR motion detection, IR night vision, and Tuya Smart Life app control for modern home security needs. The advantages of this peephole viewer are compact and stylish design, clear 3MP video resolution, app control for remote monitoring. The disadvantages of this peephole viewer are may not fit all door thicknesses. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Tuya Smart Wireless Video Doorbell, offering night vision, waterproofing, and intercom functionality. This Tuya Smart Doorbell is perfect for home security. Monitor your property and communicate in real time via the Tuya app. The advantages of this Tuya Smart Doorbell are waterproof design for outdoor use, night vision for low-light monitoring, intercom system for real-time communication. The disadvantages of this Tuya Smart Doorbell are app dependency for full functionality. At number 3. JOOAN 3MP Wireless Doorbell. This JOOAN wireless video doorbell features a 3MP camera, PIR motion detection, and smartphone connectivity. Its battery-powered design ensures flexibility and easy installation. The advantages of this JOOAN doorbell are high-resolution 3MP video for clear footage, PIR motion detection for accurate alerts, wireless and battery-powered for easy installation. The disadvantages of this JOOAN doorbell are no dual-band Wi-Fi support. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. IP65 Waterproof Tuya 5G Wi-Fi Doorbell. This 1080p video doorbell features dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, IP65 waterproofing, and Tuya Smart Home integration. It delivers high-quality video with enhanced weather resistance and intercom capability. The advantages of this IP65 waterproof doorbell are dual-band Wi-Fi for better connectivity, IP65 rated waterproof design for all-weather use, Tuya Smart Home integration for seamless control. The disadvantages of this IP65 waterproof doorbell are battery life may vary based on usage. At number 1. Doorbell Video Camera 2.4G Wi-Fi IR, a reliable home security solution. This 2.4G Wi-Fi doorbell camera offers motion detection alarms, IR night vision, and two-way intercom functionality. Enhance your home security with smart connectivity and real-time monitoring. The advantages of this doorbell video camera are two-way audio for real-time communication, motion detection alerts for increased security, infrared night vision for 24/7 protection. The disadvantages of this doorbell video camera are limited to 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity,